Casablanca by shit. So for surprise, see your homie, your boy, your host and friend Vlog, and to still name that sound. You know how it is. I'm with this beautiful evening. Gabriel. Gabriel, how you doing? So the challenge is very simple. I'm gonna play you 3 songs from 3 different artists. You get the 3 songs and the artist that sang those songs correctly. You get a goodie back for me. Are you ready?
Girl, I just want me rock. Girl, I just want me vibe. Girl, I just want me with
Catch
you.
up the song.
Guys, what time you man? Passion be body. Be spent to my
Rock.
paper.
Rock. Olamide, Rock. First song. Great job. You got the first one. On to the second song. Okay.
If you're feeling love tonight, we'll signify and identify.
Benson, like
you
Vuju.
tonight.
Kilometer
Ah.
by Vuju. He got the second song correctly.